Hello guys, good morning Philippines, and good evening America. Sa mga friends ko dyan sa Amerika, magandang good evening to all of you guys. In Canada, good evening, and in the Australia, good afternoon to you guys. Okay, so I'm Rosalie Doctolero. I'm Rosalie Noya Doctolero. I am now doing a live recording with my YouTube channel about poll funding. So uh, I'm an onboarder, certified onboarder in pool funding, so I can teach you guys how it works, and then I can help you also how to set up your accounts also. So okay, so I hope that this presentation will show you a good one, and think of it if you want to join pool funding also. Okay, guys. So now I would like to share my screen about you. I want to show you my dashboard, how the income that we have in poll funding. Okay, so you will be amazed how it works, but it is really amazing. If you are really looking for a passive income, then go for poll funding and you can have it. So it's really good actually in poll funding. I can tell you guys that um it is really amazing income here. Okay. So here we go. I will share you the screen, and let's go for our we call that our system. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. This is our system, or our dashboard in poll funding. Okay, so we have three pools actually in poll funding. First is $1 pool, second is the $10 pool, and the third one is the $100 pool, which is only launched November, end of November this year. Okay, now, and coming soon on this coming 2025, the $1,000 pool. Imagine if you have $1,000 pool. Wow. So this is how I get, guys. This is my $10 pool account. So I started my $10 pool accounts 15 days ago. Okay, 15 days ago, and this is what I get. Okay, so this is my expenses or funds that I sent to my sponsor, and um this is also the um, this is also stands for the day that you are joining on the pool that you choose. Okay, let's say $100 pool. So now, within 15 days, guys, I receive a total from since day one up to 15 days, I receive 4,800 US dollar as my income total every day. So I have seven referrals here. Okay, and I have PFS holding also. So in this referral, guys, okay, every day only one are inactive. Okay, so every day, since I have six or seven and six are active, now at that I can receive every day $600 as here. Okay, $600 here. Okay, later I will show you how. Now this is my referrals and this is my holdings. Okay, what is this? We call that savings for me. This is a savings for me. Okay, why? It is this is guarantee funds that our founder, Mr. Ace Fletcher, giving if you are joining the $100 pool, what you pay every day, and he will give you a guarantee fund equivalent how much you pay every day. Let's say I paid $100 and Mr. Ace Fletcher giving me $100 equivalent of token, which is the PFS token. So now, the good thing in PFS token, guy, or if you are in a car, if you are good in cryptocurrencies or in the market, if you're having a token, guys, you will not stay in this. It could be there's always a fluctuation in the market, right? It could be high or low. So here, have you noticed? If I give 100, if I pay 100 every day, it means Mr. Fletcher give me 100 also equivalent. So it means here supposed to be that is only 1,500. Okay? Because it is equivalent here, supposed to be 100, 1,500 dollars. So I supposed to be have here $1,500 also. But it's not $1,500. It means the value of PSS is high, very high, right? So this is make me excited this morning actually. When I pay later a while ago, that is only 5,000 something I have, 5,300 money I have savings. But when I paid to my sponsor, I get this amount actually. Not only this, that is only 8,100. But later, a while ago, it goes to 8,400. So that's why it is 8,400 so far. No, so how it works, guys. Okay, this is what is the really the main benefits of poll funding, or how you get earnings in the poll funding. Of course, guys, don't forget you need referrals, you need to recruits. Okay, but we are not we are not network marketing, we are not MLM, we are not pyramid. No, we are not a Fonzie, we are not a grant or what is it, but we are in, we can still having a networking, I mean recruiting. I'm sorry for the words recruit. No, we need recruits to earn money. So you are leveraging the people now. We will leverage the people to earn money. Okay, so that's how we need to recruit people. Okay, so how it goes, this is my daily earnings, guys. If I have 7 people, meaning paying me $100 every day, so my income is 700 every day. $700. That's why in the just 15 days, why it's not 7 times 15, that's supposed to be 35,000. No, because when I start $100, of course there's nobody is with me. Okay, I start only for the savings, for my savings. Okay, so until on the second day, third day, I get one, and so on and so forth. I get two until I get the seven. Okay, so this is how it works now. So that's why my income is here. So imagine if you have 4 people. No, when you start, if you have 2 people, every day you get $200 every day. And if you get 4 people every day, only four, the whole the whole process, you have 400 every day. How much you earn in a month? Okay, for 400 times 30, how much that, guys? Okay, so that is how much? 12,000, right? If you have, if you have, if you have one, 3,000. If you have two, 6,000. If you have three, 9,000. So if you have 4 people under you, it is 12,000 a month, right? 12,000 a month, guys. In 90 days, you will having 36,000 plus the savings that you have. Imagine I have, in my 15 days, guys, imagine, okay. I supposed to be having $3,000 within 30 days. But guys, half a month, I have 8,000. Can you imagine that? Supposed to be this amount will be my expectation on my 90 days. But it's almost half of the month only I get 8,000. So can you imagine that, guys? I'm more excited on my savings, not in my funds I receive now, right? But again, guys, don't be too much excited because you know the fluctuation, market fluctuation. So you know that. So it could be high for now, but later on it will goes down. So don't be too much exciting here. But the main thing, if you really want an income every day, go for recruits or referrals. If you have referrals, 4 referrals every day, boom, you can say, wow, this is it. No, this is a very unique platform with every a very unique. There's no one else like this. Okay, so guys, if you are looking for passive income, now come to pool funding actually. So I will show you guys how it works now. Okay, so here I show you how here. So I told you guys that this is the transaction history. It means that everything are recorded. So okay, now how can I withdraw this money? No need to withdraw. No? No need to withdraw because it is automatically coming here. Okay. This is your wallet. Okay. This is the MetaMask wallet. This is owned by you. This is controlled by you. So there is no worried about security about of your money who are in the pool funding because it is your income will automatically goes to your wallet. So look at me, guys. 61,000 and one of my people here are paying already. So have you see who are paying now? I have 100 I have 172, right? So I will make an update. So I will have 172 here. So I'm just doing an update, guys. So connect my wallet. Okay. So I will go back and connect my wallet. Okay, let's go here. Okay, here now. So this is what I get now. So, okay. So I will go here on my MetaMask wallet. So all the money I have here is going to this account. Now, what happened? It goes to my account and then 4,800 and I have only $172 here. So this 172 because I only left what I need to pay every day. Okay. Because all of that I bring it to my bank account. So what I did is from my MetaMask wallet, I send it to my Binance, and from Binance I send it as a P2P because it's higher than going to your bank. No, going to your bank is having a lot of deductions. So when going to your to trade person to person, it's very nice and there is no taxes. Okay, so that's how it works. So I do that. I love to do that always in my Binance account. So this is my transaction history. This is what I have now. So this is the referrals I get. So look at that. There's an active. This is from America, Canada, America, and this is the rest is from the Philippines na. So there is another one. This is the receipt that I have in PFS so that I can show you it's real one. Yes, plus 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 plus. It means it is plus. Okay, so this is it. So this is when I start making my start my $100 pool last December 11. So now let's go for the latest one. So this is until I end here. So I received early this morning at 0.005149597937 of PFS. So this is what I get every day. So on my first day, after 90 days, I will get 2000 point zero zero 2894300 amount of what is that? Amount of money from the holdings. Okay, it will go to my MetaMask wallet also. Okay, so now, so this is what I told you guys. No, this is what I get. Now let's go for that. Let's change our pool. Okay, let's change our pool. So let's go for the $10 pool, guys. Okay, now here, this is my $10 pool. Okay. So see here, guys. Okay. I have 170 received funds. I mean, sent funds and I received 480 and my savings is 205, guys. So imagine if you plus this to my savings again. So that is 10,000, right? That is 10,000 already. I mean, no, 8,000 something, guys. 200. Okay. So, sorry. 8,600 already, guys. And from my savings also, I mean, my earnings also every day. I get total of 4,800 there for us, plus 480 here is that's a total of 5,000 something, 5,002. So the $10 is separate, no? Separate accounts, separate income also, and even the 100, the $1 and the $100 pool. So can you imagine that, guys? If you go for a passive income, if you are looking for a passive income now, don't hesitate to join pool funding because pool funding can make your dreams come true. I'm not yet there, but I'm on my way going there. Okay. So again, imagine if I get this in 30 days, how much I have and if I have 7 people and every day, so how much I receive in one day in 30 days. Can you imagine that 100 times 7 times 30? So how much that? So every day I get around $700, no? And then times 30, that is 2,000. What's that? Uh, I don't know how to calculate now. Okay. So 700, no, 700 times 30, I get $21,000, no? $21,000 a month. So imagine $21,000 a month. Okay. So now 15 days, 15 days of 8,000. So 8,000 8,000 savings times how many in 90 days? How many 15 days? 90 days is 6, right? Times 6. So imagine how much you will receive in your savings, guys. How much total your savings is? That is 48,000 US dollar. So can you imagine that? So what if the price is still double and more higher? So what do you think, right? So very there is a money here. Okay, so now I can say don't hesitate to ask me how it works. No, so the secret actually the secret here is bring people, share people. Now how it works? You only what is the task? You only pay your sponsor every day. How much? It depends on the pool. If you are going for the $100 pool, then you will pay your sponsor 100 a day. If you are going for the $10, you will pay your sponsor every day $10. If you go for the both the three pools, so you will pay your sponsor every day $111. And that's also you get from your referrals. Okay. So your referrals must be having also referrals so that they can also enjoy the earnings that they have every day. So simple. If you are in the networking and if you are in the multi-level marketing, so try this one, guys. No, if you have a lot of people besides you, if you are on other platform that always having investment, no, we are not an investment. Okay, if you have always having a scam over there and then uh always um what's that um always blaming that they get scam something. Now here guys, no scam. No. Here your income is depends on you also. No, it not depends on full funding. No. If you don't want if you are not like having an recruits, okay? Now let's talk. Okay. If you are not in recruitments or you are not good in recruiting, okay, or bringing people, now talk to me guys personally and I will teach you how you will earn 37 or 37,000 or 39,000 in 90 days without recruits. I can share you that how. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you want to talk to me, if you have having follow up now, don't hesitate to make a comments with your Telegram and WhatsApp, guys, so that I can connect to you. And I'm pretty sure that I will give you a best answer that I have. I can give you a best explanation how I can get how you can get in MetaMask. I mean in full funding, and that's it, guys. Okay, so I hope I see you in my team because I'm willing to help you guys, and this is it and this poll funding is helping me a lot very much. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching here, and I'm happy to have you here watching me, and thank you for clicking, and I know that you are watching some all of you, and you are not in the wrong way, you are in the right path on clicking me. So I hope that you have don't hesitate your time to text me. Okay, thank you very much guys. Bye.